If you're looking for consistent slices from your homemade bread, let me show you this bread bow knife that was sent over for my feedback. What I like most is the adjustable thickness. You've got 5 settings from thin sandwich slices to thicker bakery-style cuts. So whether it's sourdough, bagels, or a fresh loaf, you can get exactly the size you want without guessing. The blade itself is a higher grade stainless steel, and you can feel the difference. It glides through crusty bread without tearing it apart, which is usually the problem with regular knives. It also has a tool-free blade system, so if you ever need to swap it out, you're not dealing with screws or anything complicated, just quick and straightforward. The wood frame is sturdy and actually looks nice sitting on a counter. It doesn't feel like one of those tools you need to hide away after using. There's also a protective guard for storage, which is helpful, especially if you're keeping it in a drawer. One thing to note, this version is designed for right-handed use, and it does feel more natural that way when you're slicing. So if you bake at home or just want cleaner, even slices without the mess, this is one of those small upgrades that actually makes a big difference. I highly recommend it.